Hello friends, welcome to Serpent Cafe YouTube channel. Friends, if you are a developer, then you definitely know about the REST API. You must have either consumed or developed any REST API. In both the cases, you must have used some REST client to test the REST API. The most commonly used tool is Postman. Okay, but do you know that you can test your REST API even without this tool? I mean to say that you do not need to install any extra tool in your laptop or desktop just only to test the REST API. Surprised? That you can do with Visual Studio Code, right? All you have to do is install extension. You can choose from n number of available extension from to test your REST client. For example, you can search for REST client for Visual Studio Code. So I have opened my Visual Studio Code and I'll search for REST client for Visual Studio Code. You will get n number of result. For example, REST client, you will get Thunder client is another option. Just a minute. See, REST client, Thunder client, that you can do. REST API client for Visual Studio Code. So these extension, in these extension you can do all the work that you do in the Postman tool to test your REST API. So let's try this. So first, after doing search, select your tool that you want to install, click on install here. Once it will install, let's perform some testing with this extension. So after installation, you will see one icon, that icon in your Visual Studio Code. So in my case, it is in right side. You probably have in your left side. I have changed this settings. So here, double click this and you will see new request here. Click on new request and see. Just a minute and see. So similar to Postman, you can type the URL, you can choose the method type, and you can provide header, body, and you can just send the request. So to test API, we'll go to Google and we'll search some fake REST API to test. So in Google or in Bing, you can search fake REST API. Click the first link, and I will come here. Copy this link. Open Visual Studio Code, paste it here and click on send, because we are using get operation and we are not providing any request, just URL and send. And see here your result is, and we'll change the ID and we'll see the result. See 3. See, so we'll just explore this tool or extension. So it is similar to Postman or any REST API tool. Headers, body, test. If you want to provide body in JSON format or XML format or in a form or plain text, that you can do it here, right here. So it is similar to Postman tool. So going forward, I am going to use this extension in Visual Studio Code instead of any extra REST API testing tool. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And also, if you know any such tools, interesting tools that is useful for developer community, so please do comment and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.